Hi there, I'm Kelly from Kandy Outdoor Flooring. We expand home experiences by providing outdoor flooring specifically for condo balconies. We're doing a project installation right up here on the 42nd floor. So I'd love to invite you to ride along with me today and check out some of the details. People do call me Kandy a lot, but that is not my name. So where it came from was when we first started the company, we knew it had to be outdoor flooring, but it could be anything like Shazam outdoor flooring, just as long as the descriptor outdoor flooring was in there. So we looked and looked at a bunch of different names, and we thought, well, why don't we just do something that's a combination of the two of our names. So we went, well, Kelly and Doug, K&D, Kandy. That's all it is. It's Kelly and Doug with a Y on the end. And then we thought, you know, this actually works because outdoor flooring, there's sort of nothing that's really less sexy than flooring. And so we didn't think that we'd be crossing any lines. So we were able to be cheeky with it. And we've one of our registered trademarks is Kandy, the sweet treat for your feet. So it works. Where did it come from to begin with? Well, what happened was my husband and I bought a condo in Vancouver. It was quite typical. Floor-to-ceiling windows, had a balcony hanging off the living room. And it was an older condo, so we decided to renovate. So we renovated the whole inside, and then there it was time to fix the outside. And because the balcony was really part of the living room, it was awful. It was dirty, stained, barren. It was wet all the time. And I thought, okay, well, let's go fix this up. So I went out to market to try and see what I could do to fix it, and I found that there was nothing really available at all that didn't contravene our condo code bylaws. So in condos, you're not allowed to adhere or fix anything to the surface of the balcony to make sure that the envelope is not put at risk for water ingress. So the fact that you can't affix anything means that the only options out there were some what we felt were unappealing options from the big box stores. And I looked and looked and looked, and finally I woke up in the middle of the night one night and went, oh my God, it's a market niche miss. And so we just decided to do some research and found that there was an awful lot of condos being built. Housing starts on multi-units are far outweighing single unit starts, and so we knew that we had something. So we just combined what we wanted when we were looking into an offering for the public. So what that is service, quality, and choice for outdoor floating flooring systems specifically for condo balconies. So here we go. We're almost at the job site. Figure out where to park. We'll talk to the concierge. We'll go up the elevator to the 42nd floor and get to the project. So now they're taking more advantage of the limited square footage that's available in a condo and utilizing that extra 100, 200, 300 square foot space that they weren't utilizing before. So it creates a whole new room. But the other way that we really know we're onto something is we get inquiries from all over North America all the time. People want us to come and do what we're doing in Miami. They want us to come and do what we're doing in New York. They want us to come and do what we're doing in Chicago. So we've definitely landed on something, and it's just a matter of like how we can scale, how we can roll out the service, quality, and choice to all those different markets. We're working on it. Serving the condo market is definitely different than serving the single-family dwellings because parking, access, elevators, concierges, there's all kinds of things that you have to be aware of. Really like a lot of variety. I like a lot of variety, I like a lot of change, I like a lot of dynamic situations, I like a lot of challenge. And so definitely running a small company, small business, building a brand certainly gives me the opportunity to have all of those things all rolled into one. And the other thing that's great about this particular brand is that it's Kelly and Doug. So my husband and I make a great team. We have different skill sets that we bring to the table. Our functions are slightly different, but we both get to do same thing, many different things all in the same day. So we're never bored whatsoever. Cameron got here first thing this morning. He's already brought all of the product up and out onto the balcony, and he's working away. So we're going to go in and we're going to see how he's doing so far. There he is, out on the deck, working away.
Hi, my name is Cameron Farrell from Kandy Outdoor Flooring. I'm the professional installer, and my job is to make sure that I expand everyone's home experience by installing the Kandy Outdoor Flooring tiles. Basically, every install I start by just laying tiles without any cuts, just as you can kind of, well, you can't really see right now, but I just kind of lay it out. We have a lot of different products as well, so we have our Canadian collection tiles, and we also have our Kandy grass, which both things have to kind of align together. So that's basically something I'm working on right now, is making sure that they seam together really well. And then obviously customer satisfaction is the most important thing. So basically making sure the client is aware of what I'm dealing with and making sure they're happy with what I have to go going forward. That's basically the toughest thing that I have to deal with. But I've already discussed with the client that we're going to do rock along the back edge because to help deal with the angle. We have polished stone, I should say. It really helps, kind of helps the appearance of it and hides the angle of the deck a lot. So that's what we're going to go with. And then, yeah, basically just taking your time, making sure everything's neat around the posts. Yeah.
Customer service is the most important thing in our business success for sure, and I think in almost any. So we put, and to us it's more than service, it's actually experience. It's what the customer experiences when it interacts with our brand at any level, whether it's before they contact us, what they see on the website, the messaging, it's the first contact that they have with us, the conversation that they have, it's the consultation that they have, it's Cameron coming over and doing the installation, it's the after sale customer follow-up, it's everything. So I think that if we didn't pay that much attention to creating a superior customer experience, we wouldn't have a brand. It's everything. Neither. I drink coffee at home.
Oh.
Yeah. Nothing, black. Makita. Neither. Nissan NV200. Raptors. Dallas Cowboys. LeBron. The Mew. Oh my God, I was at the Jericho Tennis Club, sitting right in front of the screen with everybody. Never. Pack lunch. Subway. Oh, of course. They have great Wi-Fi. Oh, excuse me, Cameron. Sorry to bother you. I know you're in the middle of working and everything, but as a gift from the Ride Along, we were given a pair of boots, and I would like you to have them because I think that you would get more use out of them than I.
Awesome. Thank you. Wow, thank you very much.